Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Hi guys! So today we're taking the Guess the Beauty Brand's logo challenge.
So Cherry and Shraddha did the first version of it and they used it really easy, the kind of brands we use every day. So yeah, and they've given us the really difficult ones, I feel, like the high street brands to guess. So I'm kind of worried.
I think we use these products on a daily basis.
Yeah, but like when you're applying
who
it, you
looks
don't
at the
really-
logo, really.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm stressed, but let's try it.
Let's do
this.
Faces.
Eyes, lips, face. Eyes, lips, face. Logo mein,
Faces.
Can't
But they're
be
the
faces,
high
no.
street, right?
Faces.
That's not a logo. Plum.
Plum. No, it's not. Actually, I don't think it's plum. Plum is purple in color. I feel. ये क्या है यार?
P for? I think it's a P for sure. I don't know.
हमें alphabet guess करना है. हमें brand guess करना है. So if I give up, I can give up. I don't
We
think.
both can give up, right?
Yeah.
We
I
give
think
up.
I give up.
Elf.
Elf.
Elf? What brand is this?
Those are the Christmas carols.
Kiehl's, come on.
Kiehl's.
Kiehl's, yeah.
I said it first. So see, I said it first. So
Whatever.
just
I didn't
to
know
make
it was-
sure that you're not cheating, we will add the
Which is
buzzer.
something you do.
We'll add a buzzer. So if you want to answer, you will please press the
Okay,
buzzer.
okay.
Whoever presses the buzzer first,
So can we
gets the chance.
So
अब
it's-
ऐसा नहीं क्या मतलब दिखाया नहीं लोगों ने like no. The minute the logo comes in. V.
Woot.
Voot is not a makeup brand. Voot is a platform.
V.
I
don't know.
Vega. That's W. No, Vega. This is Vega. Vega. I'll stick
I'm
to
trying
Vega.
to.
Chuck it.
No.
At least I guessed it. Do we get? I think we should get extra points for trying.
I don't
because
know.
she is not trying.
Because I don't know.
So
I don't
Vega,
even. I have
feel
not
it's-
seen this.
I feel it's Vega.
What is Verb?
Oh, I've seen it.
I have not seen it. What the
I've
hell?
seen someone
Okay,
else
never
did
mind.
apply it. LA girl. LA girl. LA girl. LA girl.
Damn it! I don't know anything. It's not a high street brand.
That doesn't matter. It's a brand. What do you mean? Excuse me. What do you mean it's not high street? It is high street. It's not easily available. You don't get LA girl everywhere.
I will get it for you the next time.
I've got 2 out of 4.
4.
She's got 0 out of 4.
L'Oreal!
No.
L'Oreal Professional.
Locked in.
Shit.
Is it locked in? Something locked in. Thanks.
Body Shop. Body
No.
Shop.
Bath and Body Works. Soap and
Serenity.
Glory. Soap and Glory. Soap and Glory. Soap
Shit.
and Glory. Soap and Glory.
Can we see the next one,
Also,
please?
this also, sorry, before we go ahead, it also talks about general knowledge, basic knowledge. मतलब तुमने मुंह में जो लगाते हो, तुम्हें ये
मैं ये नहीं लगाती
क्या
हूँ।
लगाते हो?
Can we see the next one?
Next logo, fine.
Because she's gonna keep
Still a
talking.
0.
My God.
Ready?
Benefit.
Obviously, end का part
Oh
fit है तो
my
benefit
God.
का part.
But why didn't she say it if it's so?
I was going to say it. I was taking a breath like, and it's a benefit because you were desperate for 1 point. It's okay, take it. Benefit. Yes, it is benefit. 1, 4.
out of 7. It's
Fire fresh. Fire fresh. We should get a hint. Can we get a hint? Fire fresh.
yeah, hint. Fit me.
Fit me.
No, it's not fit me. I don't know. Pass
Pass.
this one.
Oh. Kiko Milano.
You know, I'd like to blame my reflexes here. I knew this one.
अभी benefit तो मुंह से काफी जल्दी निकला था है अभी बाकी सब में और
My
reflexes
reflexes.
are very convenient but again I like to say the answer Kiko and you use so many products on Kiko bro you're at 1 out of 9 and we just have 1 more to go I mean even if I just give you the next one as pity फिर भी मैं जीतूंगी so I don't even know if I should try should I try
She's very mean.
क्योंकि देखो तो कुछ पता ही
Is
नहीं
anybody
है
noticing the fact that she's such a bully?
to the last one
Thank you.
Nars. Game over. Tin.
Wait a second.
ऐसे मारियो में नहीं होता टिन क्या Tin 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 tin. Nars. Tin 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 tin. Nars. 1. Game over. Don't even try. So the score is 6 out of 10 for me. 1 out of 10 for her.
So if you like this challenge as much as Ragini did,
Yes, I did.
then like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.
Also guys, POPxo shop is open now. We have a lot of cool stuff from laptop sleeves to mugs to cushion covers. The link is there in the description, so do check it out.
Bye!